$16,000 is the only thing you're going to need for the down payment to purchase this property. If you add in the closing costs, you're going to be all in to purchase this property at about $28,500. But here's the thing. This is no regular property. This is a pretty spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom villa with over 1,458 square feet under AC and your private backyard that's going to be listed for just $320,000. Now, if you're a buyer or a realtor, you know how difficult it is to find a property that has a community with enough reserves for you to be able to buy with just 5% down payment, meaning you have a loan of 95%. This is an opportunity for you to take advantage of. Aside from the comfortable layout, you also have cool features like your own private fenced backyard, and as the owner of this property, you have the right to have 2 assigned spots plus an additional 2 guest parking. So if you have a lot of vehicles, this may be the property for you because you can park 4 vehicles in this home. And lastly, you'll also get access to all the amenities this community has to offer, like the pool, kids park, and much more. You're in luck, because if you're interested in seeing this property, all you gotta do is send me a message at 305-439-6211 to schedule your tour today, because it just got listed today and it's located at 2204 Southeast 23rd Terrace in Homestead, Florida. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.